So as we know it, COVID is not going anywhere. Some people are vaccinated, some people are not. Hey, this is something simple that everybody can use. Use fresh orange, fresh lemon, fresh lime. Use fresh ginger. That's also amazing. You can just eat it by itself. Fresh garlic. You know, I got the store-bought one, but whatever. Who's saying? You cut it all up in little pieces. Cut your ginger in very small pieces. Cut your oranges, your lime, and your lemon all in small pieces. We also need honey to sweeten it up, and we also need water, a bottle of water to liquefy it. I'm hoping that's a word. So you use all your recipe, you put it all in a blender. You put your ginger first, then you add your oranges. After you add your oranges, you add the garlic and the honey. Once you add everything together, you add the water. The water will be the last thing to go in there because the water it doesn't take that long to put it all down. Once everything is in the blender, you blend it all up. It's going to be very foamy on the top, which is fine. Don't worry about it. We are going to get rid of it. Trust me. Once it's in the blender, you blend it nice and fine. Once it's nice and blended, you strain it. Strain it very, very well. I usually use the really, really small strainer because it gets every residue right out of it. And you don't need those residues. But don't throw those residues away, guys. You're going to use it for something else. You stir it up really, really fine. You strain it until it's like juice. Pretty much it looks like juice, but it's not. It's actually better than that because this is what's going to make you feel better and fight this nasty COVID that we have. Once you strain it all up, look, told you, it looks just like juice. You strain it all up and put it in a nice little bottle. And then you can have yourself an amazing little drink throughout to fight COVID. The rest of the residue, you can cook it up really good and inhale it. And it will make you actually feel really, really good. Thank you guys again.